Hi there, welcome to East Bay Disc Centers. I'm Dr. Harris Meyer. Thank you for coming in. These are my two terrific assistants who will be helping you with everything you need at the front desk, Carolina and Val. Come on in, let me show you the clinic. This is our main adjusting room. I like to say this is where the magic happens. So whether it's somebody who's been getting adjusted for a period of time and has chiropractic experience or first time, this is where we're going to correct the misalignments of the spine and help improve your health. This room, depending on who is doing your intake, especially if it's one of my assistants who does a fantastic job learning about your health, they would perform that part of your intake in this room. Sometimes patients want to have a private room as well for being adjusted, and so we use this room for that as well. Okay, follow me. This is our consult room, and this is where we meet after your first appointment. When you come back for the second time, we're going to sit down. I'm going to show you all of your x-rays. I'm going to explain the findings and tell you how I think I can help you if I feel that I can. This is our decompression suite. So people who have especially injuries with a disc or symptoms like sciatica or pain or numbness that travels down an arm, maybe things like carpal tunnel, we use these tables that help to stretch the spine out in a really safe way to actually restore the disc and remove all the pressure from the nerves so that you can regain a normal healthy spine, feel great, and be able to enjoy all the activities that you need and want to. If you come back here, we're really excited about this new technology that we just got several months ago called PEMF. It stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Frequencies. And we use these devices on this chair, whether it's this whole pad or these rings right here, to stimulate and actually exercise the cells of your body so that we can bring more oxygen to the cells and help them to function optimally so that we can reduce pain and help heal from all kinds of health conditions, including injuries. And the last thing in this area before we leave is these boots are for helping to restore nerve function in cases of neuropathy. Many people have terrible pain in their feet, even to the point where they can't walk and just can't get around at all. And this is often because of conditions like diabetes, sometimes associated with chemotherapy or radiation treatment, and sometimes also with excessive use of alcohol. And when we use these boots, we're able to restore the nerves to normal function so that the pain goes away and the nerves do what they're supposed to do. And again, you can regain a normal lifestyle. So come on with me, I'll show you my office. So this is where I do my exams on all of our new patients. We start out with a thorough history. We want to really understand your condition. We want to understand what your lifestyle is like, what your sleeping habits are like, get an idea about your diet, and all the other aspects that play into you being who you are and the type of how your health is. The last specialty I want to talk to you about is what we call functional medicine or functional nutrition. You know, sometimes people have a chronic condition and they go to their doctor and they have lots of blood work run, and then the solution is always a pile of drugs, different medications to try and improve your health. Well, we like to run our battery of tests and come up with a non-drug solution, one that's nutritionally based, that gets you the same or better results without any of the dangers and risk factors associated with medications.